Hello everyone, my name is Josh Walker. I'm with Safety Plus Steering Control. Today we're going to be installing our blue 41230 steering stabilizer. We're going to be installing it on a Spartan with the Rayco granting independent front suspension. Now before you get started, you always want to make sure you read through your instructions very carefully to make sure you have all your safety things, your tools, and all your hardware needed to get the job done safely. Let's go get started. Step 1, you're going to want to pull the vehicle in a straight position so you can gain access under the vehicle. Step 2, on the passenger side, we're going to locate the existing hole in the frame to the rear of the shock on the brace bracket. This will be our mounting location. Please note, if no hole exists, drill out a 1/4 inch pilot hole, then you will need to drill that out to 3/4 to allow for the Safety Plus bolt. Step 3, slide the 4.5 inch bolt into the hole that you just drilled. Step 4, place the 1 inch spacer onto the bolt and then slide the large end of the Safety Plus onto the bolt behind the spacer. Tighten and torque your bolt to 120 foot-pounds of torque. Step 5, loosely install the tie rod bracket on the driver's side of the tie rod. If necessary, clean the area with a Scotch-Brite pad to remove any debris. Loosely install the small end of the Safety Plus onto the tie rod bracket. The key here is to make sure we position the tie rod bracket correctly from coming in contact with any other of the components. Tighten and torque your U-bolts to 20 foot-pounds of torque. Step 6. Tighten and torque small end of Safety Plus to the tie rod bracket to 120 foot-pounds of torque. Step 7. To finish your install, end with doing a full turn test to the left and to the right to ensure you are clearing all components on the vehicle. Alright, that concludes today's installs. We hope that you found this video very helpful. Please don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions or visit our website. We are here to help. We wish you all the best and safe travels.